What's going on, everybody, and welcome back, TECTONIC CRONOS fam. You know, the time has come, something that we've been talking for a while in the last couple of videos. I am very happy to finally see the reset. And by the end of this video, I want to show you the price analysis, the price predictions, where we could be heading, and the latest that we're hearing from crypto.com and Cronos chain. Obviously, the prices are not in favor. We see stocks, crypto right now going down a little bit, and obviously, boom, tectonic as well. But these are not bad news. It is actually what I was waiting for. And if we see 7 zeros, I'm going all in. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome back, Crow fam. We're here. Finally, of course, after a long while of seeing a rise. And let me start with this. I obviously know this, right? I mean, anyone can see it, but if I go to my price range from the very beginning of the year all the way to the top that we had 210%, that's roughly, what do you want? 25 days of growth. So we never had this type of growth with tectonic. This is the 4 hours, right? This, if I go to the day, you're gonna take a look at the different previous pumps, how they were much faster to reset, much faster to come down. Now these are, times are different, which is really what we want. Finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than a week of retracements. Well, obviously now people are starting to sell, cash out. Well, in reality, when we talk about this token that a lot of people like, when it grows, the community is huge. Obviously, a lot of people are not paying too much attention about tectonic right now in Cronos chain because of the price and the TBL. But people who are watching right now this video are the OGs and the ones that will capitalize once the prices is come down. There are a couple of different indicators I want to show you. First, how many retracements, how many Fibonacci levels have we come down? Well, one, and we're going to the second one. And if we start zooming out on the day, I'm noticing that from the bottom all the way to the top, the beginning of the year till, the end of January, we're finally coming to the top of these previous pumps. This, it has to do a complete retracement 100% to follow the pattern that we've had. But because this is the only time that tectonic has broken it, and I will say consolidated for a longer period of time, where previous days was 2 days, 3 days. This time tectonic held, retraced down for one level, and then came back stronger, breaking that, and then now finally coming down. So it did it 2 levels before, middle of January, came up, and then now it's finally coming down. There's a possibility, tectonic fam, that we could see a price rise of 2 levels once again, and even higher based on previous performance. But I would not consider that to be the case, because I think now it looks for reals, since we are not having too many green candlesticks in the day. Hopefully, and yes, I'm saying hopefully because I want to get it much cheaper, we are seeing at least, I got to change this to a yellow, 3 more levels lower. That will put us at a 7 zeros tectonic. Let me go ahead and bring my price level right here. It's going to be here, my price label. Right here, we're looking still at 6 zeros, but now when we coming this way, there you go. Finally here, we are pointing 7 zeros tectonic, which obviously for a lot of people who been buying, that means that your money is now becoming, less and less if you didn't sell. In my case, I did not, because I'm not going to pay all those fees. But what I'm saying is, guys, 7 zeros, we're heading that way. I know it doesn't look like, like Oscar, you should be rooting for a price higher, right? But in this case, I understand the game. And for tokens like this, it's going to come back. And I hope we have a much lower retracement, and boom, we can start accumulating at a cheaper price. This is what I'm telling you, everybody, from previous experience. When I add the arrow side on the day, let's go ahead and make this pop a little bit more. There you go. What do I see? That we could have a much lower price since we're not oversold in the day. You see this? Meaning that we're coming from here where the price was extremely oversold, pumped a lot, held for a while, held above in the overbought till the end of January. Finally, we start to see a clear breakdown and we're heading that way, meaning that we can still go maybe 2 levels lower in the Fibonacci according to the RSI, finally putting us in the oversold position. I'm just telling you facts. I'm telling you what the data is telling me on the charts. That's it. And I will love that, right? It does look to be that way. The price prediction is lower right now for Tectonic, but in the future, once things become a little bit better, boom, I'm expecting that push. Now, it does mimic what the market is doing as Bitcoin is now not closer to 24,000, is now closer to 22 and a half. Chronos, we're looking roughly at 8 cents, 8.1. It was closer to 8.5, but now it's that way. We see a stop in Chronos, Shiba Inu, LUNC, and Ethereum as well, still holding a nice looking good price, but obviously right now it is, what it is when it comes to Tectonic. So let me now show you the news, everyone. Chronos chain, well, going around and posting the different latest news and updates when it comes to the ecosystem. I like it. All of this is great. Pitching to developers, pitching to teams that they want us to build in Chronos. Even though the bear market, we're still growing and grinding. I like that. In crypto.com, with Chronos as one of the builders of Main City, it's coming soon. This coming Q2 in 2023, and obviously all the loaded lions are extremely excited and ready to be part of this amazing journey. Family, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one for us. If you are in the Tectonic group, in the Tectonic army, no worries. This happens all the time. We had a great run in January for us. A lot of people came on board. A lot of subscribers came on board. I'm happy because, we're not a community that we're extremely huge. I'm happy to be part of those content creators who talks about it, who like to give my opinion, right? Positive and instructive, educative. At the end of the day is my brain. I like to share with you. But the cheaper it is, the better for long-term purposes. I don't see Tectonic or Chrono Chain or Crypto.com or crypto or Bitcoin going away anytime soon. That allows me to be buying low with the money I have to allocate that I know I can lose, further explode my gains and profits in the future. Guys, if you enjoyed that, go ahead and smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome, Chrono Chain. Happy to be here with you as a Chrono Chain ambassador. Thank you to everybody for watching. The time has come, Tectonic. It's happening. We're retracing. This is a great opportunity. Don't let it go through it. I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.